Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can follow someone on Etsy. Keep watching the video till the end. To follow someone on Etsy, firstly open your Etsy application. The home page of Etsy will appear on the screen. Now all you need to do is click on the items or shop you want to follow. Scroll all the way down to the owner of the product. Click on the name and tap on Follow Shop. This is how you can follow someone on your Etsy application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.